My name is Abigail Troth, and I am a sophomore digital journalism major from Pineville, Mississippi. At this time, I am the executive editor of the Student Prints, which is a division of the Southern Miss Student Media Center. Dr. Lindsay Maxwell has been just such a big help, and she's actually the broadcast reporting professor. She taught me how to work a camera, she taught me radio raps, and she's still teaching me so much that is helping me. She's helping me write better leads, even though they're not always for print. She's helping me write better leads for web stories and broadcast and radio and just so many different things, and she's helping me out, and I'm very grateful that I have her as a professor. In journalism, I get to tell the facts and I get to tell it what it is, and I love writing opinion articles because I get to really say what's on my mind, and I get to write in a way that I know that's what I'm passionate about. And another thing, I love meeting new people. One thing about this job, I've met so many cool people, and I've met so many people who are just from all over the state or from other areas in general that I get to interview, and I get to know more about them and their story and what they have to say, and I think that's just amazing. When I got here, I was immediately welcomed with open arms, especially into the Student Media Center and into College Hall, which has become basically my home on campus, and radio and TV and at the Prince. I've never been treated with such respect.